Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make an American Doll clock. So the first thing you'll need is a box that's the size of your American Doll, well, of a clock. Then you'll need some glue. You'll need some extra paper, scissors, a pencil, and a marker that is dark enough. Some nail polishes that are colors, and also you can use craft paint or paint, but my paint is at school. So let's get started with this video. So first you'll just actually cut your thing to size. I already did it and I had to start my video all over because I forgot something. So you'll just cut your thing to size, your clock or whatever. After you cut it to size, you'll paint it a color that you like. I'm actually gonna go with what should I go with? There is so many nice colors. Okay, so I found my color finally. I'm gonna use this pink nail polish, and it is, I don't know, hot pink, I guess. If you guys can see it, that's how it looks. And after you do that, you'll just paint it, and I'm gonna paint mine, so I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I didn't start painting yet, but I'm gonna start painting. And that's why you need the paper, so you can put your thing under so you don't get your carpet or whatever you're doing dirty. So I'm gonna start painting. Okay, so I got my hot pink nail polish and I am gonna start painting my box. You might need a dark color, so maybe at the end of mine I might need a dark color. Yes, I do. So yeah, I have to go with a darker color. So I'll get back to you guys after I find my color. Okay, so I found my color. This one I'm gonna use blue this time. So let's get this. Actually, I'll just go like this. I'll get this open. And remember, ask an adult before painting something, because what if you have a baby brother or sister that is allergic to this? So you'll just keep on painting. You can actually just pour it, so it will be easier if it comes out. Oh, it doesn't come out, so just keep on painting. Hopefully it will be good. And you're just gonna need a lot. I might go paint all the others. I might paint all the sides a different color, because what if one runs out? I got the washable kind of nail polish, so you might have to get that. Just keep on painting and painting until you get until you get one side all cleared. And like I said, you might need a different color like I did. Just keep painting till all those words get off. Doesn't have to look perfect. I'm just trying my best. So keep on painting. Oh, this is taking forever. So just keep on painting. Okay, so it didn't really turn out that well that I thought it would, but it covered some words, but I'm not going to paint it all blue. So, and make sure you have a hole, because you need to put some, you can actually put some stuff in there if you like to, but I might just cover it. So I'm going to pick another color for this side, and I'll get back to you guys. So I'm back, and I got this color. Me and my sister picked out. So I'm just going to paint this side. Make sure your other side doesn't get ruined. I just touched it, and that's going to be hard to come off. I just touched it. Just now I just touched. Oh my god, okay. This is so hard. I might just throw this away, but it's not going good. You picked a dark color, Jenna. I mean, that's a light color. Okay, I'm so mad. I'm so mad right now. This is the ugliest thing ever. Look at that. You just messed up my tutorial. Look at that. Okay, thanks for watching, but it's a fail. Bye.